Thanks for calling Wilson, a family-owned business since 1958. I'm John Wilson. My grandfather started the business in 1958, and we've been serving our community ever since. We're the ones keeping your home cozy, your water flowing, and your lights on. Our team is grateful that you called us and gave us an opportunity to serve you. One of our Rockstar technicians is scheduled to come out to your home soon. But before they arrive, I wanted to go over what to expect from your upcoming visit. We pride ourselves on our thousands of 5-star reviews online. Our goal is to provide a 5-star experience from the initial booking to the end of the service. We book in time block arrival windows. This means we will say that our technician will arrive at your home sometime between 8 and noon. This window allows our technicians to give each customer the time and care that they need to get the job done right. Speaking of our technicians are the best in the business. They have gone through rigorous training so they know exactly what to do when they get out to your home. They've also been background checked and drug tested for your peace of mind. Our technicians carry a price menu that covers all of our most common repairs. This price menu includes diagrams to explain how your home system works. We are your partners in your home's care and consider it our responsibility to not just repair your systems, but also educate you on how your home works. Our price menu also has straightforward pricing so that we can give you a quote on-site, same day, and our technicians are driving a warehouse on wheels so they can often perform that repair right then and there. After we complete our work, we will take payment for our services. We take check, cash, credit card, Venmo, and Cash App. We love talking to our customers on the phone, but many times our customers are looking for a more convenient way to book. Check out our online booking system, which gives you real-time availability for our technicians straight from your phone or computer. Check it out at bettercallwilson.com. We are a Wilson company, which offers every service you might need in your home. We offer plumbing, heating, cooling, electrical, drain cleaning, septic pumping, mold and water remediation, and duct and carpet cleaning. From my family to yours, thanks for calling Wilson, and we look forward to serving your needs.